So let's see what works today. Welcome to Life Hack It. Today we're going to try a couple of fun things that are unusual. So we'll see how that works for you. Cutting onions seems like a crying game here, but if you do not want to cry every time you cut an onion, then put it in the refrigerator before you cut it. But if the problem you're having is actually chest congestion, then make sure the onion is not refrigerated, slice it and boil it. As the water is simmering, then stand near the pot so you can actually smell the simmering. Reason being is the sulfuric acid will help opening up those mucous membranes. Next time you have a lot of family members and you need to organize the passwords and all the tags to make your life easier, try this trick. Each password should have a paper clip with a different color, so that way you know who it belongs to. Now, I wish I had done that a couple of years ago when 10 of us were traveling and the poor guy who was trying to sort out everything got really upset. So you decided to break a glass, or maybe your cat did it. Great way to pick it up is grab a piece of bread and just pat it. It will pick up the smaller particles that are really hard to pick up with a broom. have the hiccups, hold your breath and try to swallow 3 times. That should help. Now, if that doesn't work, another method that somebody told me is to actually try to, again, hold your breath and stick your fingers into your ears as you just tighten up your diaphragm. Let me know which one works for you. So you got attacked by mosquitoes or maybe have a skin irritation. A fantastic solution to kind of numb that area is using Oradil or any numbing agent that you use either for your throat or your teeth. It works beautifully. Hopefully you like this episode of Life Hack It. I am sure you noticed the difference between the milk frothing method and also something about the banana. We use the banana to shine the CD, so be careful when you do it. I scratched it really deep and nothing is going to fix it. So hopefully you got a lot out of all the other hacks we did today. Until next time.